So again, the first step is to create a triangle with the number in front of this. This is going to be the adjacent, and this is going to be the opposite. So that means 1 and root 3, right? 1 and root 3. I can't really tell this is going to be a 60-degree triangle. 1, 2, root 3. Right? This is from special angles. Whenever you have a 1 and a right angle root 3, this has to be 2. Okay, so I already know this is going to be 60. This is an easy one. So I know, first of all, let me factor out a negative 1. And you get a sine of 2x minus root 3 cosine of 2x. So I should factor out a 2, the hypotenuse.
Why can't you factor? Oh.
And we get a half here. Cosine of 2x, and you get a root 3 over 2 here. So you can see that the half, you can replace it with a cosine of 60 degrees. And this one you can replace with sine of 60 degrees. So you get a minus 2, a sine of a 2x minus 60 degrees. Done, right? So it says to graph this function. Okay, so for graphing sake, I'm going to convert this back into a radian value. So 2x plus pi over 3. So to graph it, so I should factor out the 2, and you get x plus pi over 6. So in all functions, you guys remember if you had a number in front of the x, you should factor it out. That's my mistakes. Should be negative. Okay. So this has an amplitude of 2. It's got a reflection on the x-axis because it's negative. This 2 right here represents a horizontal compression of 2. So it compresses in, which means the period is equal to pi only, and it's got a horizontal shift of pi over 6, positive. Okay. So look. Okay, so we're going to start at pi over 6, and we need to get to, the period is pi, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is pi, 7 pi over 6. We're going to start at pi over 6. We're going to finish at 7 pi over 6. Okay. So look, 1, 2. That's the middle point, right? So that right there is going to be the half point, and it's going to be negative 2. And this right here is the midpoint, and it's going to be positive 2. So the graph's going to look like this. Okay. So that's the picture of this. Sum of sine and cosine like this. It turns into actually a sine picture. If you actually punch that in a graphing calculator, you'll get a sine graph.